just put this over here. Here's all jacked up. Let's see. We're just gonna keep on charting. I don't really like this. This 1319. So CMG. Trying to figure out. Looking at CMG here. Chipotle for tomorrow. I don't know. I like Chipotle. It's an easy trade once it starts. Let's put a couple calls up here to keep an eye out. To know what kind of action CMG is going to get. Probably look at 1300s. I don't know, how far could it go if it breaks out? That's my question. CMG can move. This went from 1260 to 1310 before it fizzled out. This is setting up a cup. And if this thing opens over 1303, does that mean it's going to go? It's a short week. Do I use this week's? Probably don't want to use this week's. I don't imagine. Probably use December 4th. So I'm going to go 1300 to just say 1450. I see something for like $4 or $5. I think that can go to 20. So this is for the 4th. Anything cheap? And we're looking at 35, 1360, 1385. I don't know. Well, this line right here coming down, the neural index, I don't see this. Might have to wait on this guy. Just coiling here. It's coiling and it was green on a down day. So if it is going to come back, it's probably going to explode. So we probably want these 1350s, 1335s. I'll just put the 1335s up there. Just going to look at this and add some CMG. I'm just going to put one little guy up there. We'll see. I don't want to clutter up my watch list. Alright, what's next? So that's CMG. Look at Google. See what Google's got going on here. See if Google opens over 1752. I don't know, it's just stuck at 1750, 1770. It doesn't want to go anywhere else. But I like Google. Google seems strong. 1780. So we'll throw the 1780s on here. See those in maybe the 1800s and see how they're reacting. December 4th. Got some news coming in here. China has vaccinated 1 million people so far. With what? What kind of vaccination? Did they just vaccinate them with the flu vaccine? Say they were vaccinated? Or are they using their, what was it called? It was something like, it started with an S. The China vaccine. What's it called? Oh look, they got a CNN. So CNN does this 2 days ago, and then Trade the News floats it out there again like it's brand new. I don't get it. Is that kind of weird? So yes, Sinopharm, whatever this is. Okay, I don't care about it since it was 2 days ago. Did it affect the markets at all? +8 right now, and yes. The ratio is not bad here with the Dow and yes, it's about right. So things are clicking. That was garbage news. So Google, I want to add the 1780s. Where the heck are they? I got 2 viewers in here all of a sudden. What's up, guys? What's up? What's going on? I was just bored, so I just wanted to. This is what I do at night, so I'm just gonna stream it. If you guys want to chat, just talk about some stocks or something. What's going on? I got a cool idea from the chat earlier, so. But I do want to watch these 1800s on Google. They closed at 11. Open interest on a Google options chain. I mean, you don't really see fat open interests or volumes really for their options. It's kind of a cut trade in general. Until it breaks 1780, I think you got to watch these 1780s to see if they start. This is for December 4th, so yeah, I don't care about anything else. I might buy some next week's. I don't know. It just depends on how the market's doing. Right now, the market's okay. +8. We'll see if that holds up. But for now, I'm planning on just buying December 4ths. Maybe longer. I don't know. That's what I'm watching right now. Got these GMs. I don't know why I bought these. I'm such an idiot. I don't know why I'm in GM. Why am I buying GM? You guys buy GM? Probably in GM. Alright, Facebook. Ugh. Horrible trend. Everything's negative. Garbage. I don't even know if I even want to track this thing anymore until it breaks out. I already have it. Yeah, I already got it listed here. My Facebook. You can just tell with these premiums. Let's see if there's anything with anything somebody's buying. Are they buying anything here? Look at these 280s. 280s, 280s. Seems to be the pivot. Is 280 the pivot? 283 is what you want to buy. You guys like Facebook? Or is it a cuck trade? I say cuck. I say cuck because look at this. I mean, why would you buy this? Why would you buy this until it hits 300? Like, you really shouldn't even touch it till it's 300, 301. You could dip buy it here. I mean, you got a trend. You definitely have an uptrend. You could just be buying these dips. No, for the short term, I don't like it. I think 300, it explodes, and I'll just wait for that. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to throw the 300s up there. We'll see if they start getting action, maybe for December 18th. I don't care about the 280s, but I might put them up here too. Just go to 310. Yeah, they got some OI up in here, 280s. So we'll watch the 280s. December 18th. This thing seems like it's still a ways away. You always think with Facebook, like it's not that far away from the next strike up, but it takes a long time. If you've ever watched the order flow on Facebook, it needs a lot of volume to get through these levels. It seems like, and it needs some news. So I'll wait for news and just let it sit here. These are for 12.18 300s. So 31 points out. They're only $1.60. $5 for the 280s. 11 points away, and they're $5 for 2 weeks away. You could buy these. You probably, if there's a volatility expansion, you'd probably catch a nice big play there. But you know, other than that, you're just going to get faded. Okay, so Facebook, meh. Chipotle, kind of meh. Alibaba, I had a feeling this was going to happen right here. You can see it just like it's perfect. And then the neural index was just, once it hit positive right there, basically on this day, I was like, I bet you Baba's going to come back. I didn't play it. I should have. But Baba still needs to get 276. It still needs to get 280. I mean, this thing is just, with that Ant IPO, they just killed it. So basically, you'd want to short right here, 275, unless it breaks through with some power. But, you know, a short at 2 puts Baba, crazy. Do I even want to watch Baba? I don't even want to watch Baba. I'll put the numbers up here for you. So basically, I'm just gonna create my range here. This is a predicted range for this software that I use here. So it's saying the high and the low. Basically, just use the highs and lows as pivots. If it's really, wait, what am I? I'm not looking at Baba, am I? There you go. If it's really above the upper limit, you know, I'm looking to be a buyer. If it's trading in the lower half or so, I don't really care about it. And then we got to put our other pivots in here. So 276.01, You guys can use these levels too. They're really helpful, man. Like these things are, the way you use these is you just basically use them as pivot points to tell you bullish and bearish sentiment. 264.56. So put our level in there. So this is a long-term pivot. This is another predicted long-term pivot, and then here's our medium term. So this will kind of tell us medium-term bullishness. 264.59. And then our short term, 266.81. So I'm looking at these levels on BABA. Looks like it's kind of trying to make a reversal. But yeah, you can see, was it 2 days ago? Let's see, 2 days ago, yeah, the 18th. That's when it made this. You can already see here the difference, the differentiators. I don't know, differences. It already kind of told you that the trend was reversing, and then as it made its ascension into positive territory here, we had some nice green days. This is a pretty nice green day, especially for a Friday. Just some people made some money that day. How about here for tomorrow? Definitely want to see it before I'm even interested in it. I'm not interested in it until it's over 276. If it closes in this area, I would buy something. I would probably buy something. I would probably look at the 290s. But it's still such a risky trade. It's still such a risky trade. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's my kid. But good job, buddy. Let's see. Do I care about BABA? I mean, there's probably just so much better stuff out there. So, I mean, I don't know. I'll just set an alert here. If it gets over, I'm not even going to watch it. I'm just going to say, okay, if you're over, let's just put 282. I'll get alerted. I'm not even going to care about it till then. 282, maybe it gets to 300 pretty easy. I know that there's people buying BABA here. I know ARK is buying it. I mean, Tick from Twitter, TikTok, said he's buying it here at these lower levels, which you probably should if you're a long-term investor. I just don't like BABA. It's just an annoying trade sometimes. Just when you think it's about to break out, it just anti-PO gets delayed 6 months or something always happens. So I'm not even gonna put it on my list. I only have so much space here, so I'm not even gonna put it on there. But I will keep track of it. I'll just keep watching it. Here's my watch list that I just go through every day. NVIDIA. I'm not even touching NVIDIA for 4 weeks. You guys know who Sam Preek is, a smarter trader. He basically says if a stock goes down on earnings, avoid it for 4 to 5 weeks. And I don't even mess with it. I mean, you can see this trend is just going nowhere. Now it's coiled. If there's some breakout, I might get interested in it, but it's got to get over 441. And I don't know how many times I've been trying to play this breakout to 600, and people are just getting wrecked here. Wreck there, wreck there, wreck there. So you can kind of see this 580-ish pivot is you just gotta wait till it gets up there and closes, because every time it gets there, it sells off. What's up, bud? Okay. So NVIDIA, I don't even want to chart it really. I'm not even going to mess with NVIDIA until I see some action, until I see some news. And semiconductors are actually relatively strong right now, if you look at the index as a whole, but not NVIDIA. Here's the VIX. I love charting the VIX, the VXX really, the futures. The software doesn't have VIX, so I just do this one. Seems good enough. You can see how price action was just kind of just coiled inside of the box and inside these little moving averages here. It's way below this pivot, so I'm still looking for upside. Unless this breaks out and starts kind of attacking this pivot point, I'm just looking long. I'm not going to fight it. But your pivots on this, 1906, 1808, So there's our range for VIX tomorrow. So this is what the robot is predicting. If we see it start breaking out in either direction, we want to probably play that direction, because that just means people aren't expecting that. The AIs, the algorithms aren't really. They're going to get thrown off a little bit. We'll change our pivot here, which is, you just stay long this whole time. But it looks like the trend is kind of changing. If we have a nice big green day in the VIX, this market is probably going to roll over. You can already see it's trying really hard to roll over. But until it does, I'm still going to play along. 2048 is a nice level to watch on the VXX of long term. 1866 is our medium. This is 0.2. And then 1857, probably not a big change here either. 1857, yeah, 1. Let's see here. Still, I got someone messaging me about the premium. Still don't quite understand Sam's premium theory. When he entered TTD calls on 11/16, it's IV actually down. He tweeted on 11/17 TD premium. Said it was going to explode. Don't know how you could tell from the premium. You have any idea? RH. Yeah, I am. I don't see anybody typing, so I just you're the first one that I've seen. Paige. Is anybody typing? Anybody else? I'm going to be really annoyed if you guys have been sitting in here chatting and I'm not seeing it. Oh, okay. So you guys haven't been sitting in there chatting this whole time, and I just now noticed? Oh, okay. Cool. All right. Hello, Paige. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Are you a trader? You're new. You've been in it for a long time. What kind of methods you like to use? Zoom, one of my favorite stocks. Just an absolute beast. I love trading Zoom. I wanted you to tell you to stay away from every day for the last 7 years. I don't get it. Please clarify what you mean by that. You sound like you're talking like the girl from The Ring, you know? You have 7 days. You sound like do I know you? I wanted to tell you to stay away from every day for the last 7 years. I don't know. I don't get that at all. Hello? Don't want some what? Yeah, I do. That'd be sweet. Put it to what? 450? Okay. Okay. Bye. See you soon. Paige, elaborate. Or did you just leave? Did you say this weird thing and then leave? That my brain cannot comprehend. What? Oh, good job, buddy. My son just pooped. You pooped in this potty down here? Oh, okay. Good job, man. Paige, you can't just say that and disappear. I trade futures, especially the NQ and ES micro. Ooh. Take a look at Trades by Matt YouTube every day. Okay. What did you mean by your previous statement? I'm still trying to figure that out. Are you telling me not to stream every day or to put videos out every day for the last 7 years? Because I've only been doing it. Well, that's cool. See, I don't sell anything either. I just want to have a community because I don't have any friends, okay? Because all I do is trade stocks now. And nobody else does that. So I need some stock friends that are socially distanced. I've been trading a few years, started with options, then went to futures. Nice. You like futures better? Maybe. I would love to trade futures. I just don't even know how to get it set up. I mean, it's like you need all this. You need a ton of money to even trade like one lot. It seems like. But good for you. Seriously, the futures are, kind of seems like a different monster. All right, I'll be right back. I just go turn the oven on real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. No, we do not check out Top Step. Okay. I still want to know what you're saying here. I'm going to put it in here. Can you please tell me what this means? Do I know you? All right, Zoom, my favorite. 440. Man, this thing tried to bust through there, didn't it? That's a big level. 452 algo level. Probably sees 480. Definitely on the watch list. 412.65. Trade at night. I wanted to tell you to stay away from every day for the last 7 years. I think what are you trying to say? You tried to stay away from trading every day? Sorry, I'm an imbecile, so you're gonna have to really clarify what you're saying there, Paige. So you're trading right now, I assume. Are you order flow, or do you do technical analysis, or what's your method of choice? So our medium, our short, our long, and then our import. Okay. Volume profile, nice, nice. I like volume profile a lot. So like with Delta, okay. Delta is what again? Is that like bid and ask? Something to do with the bid and ask or something? Or is it just something to do with, are you just talking to options? This stuff's complex for me. Too much for my brain. Institutional buyers and sellers. Okay. All right, Paige. So what do you see for NQ tomorrow? Any too early to tell, or I mean, it's looking good right now. It's looking okay right now. That's the hell. But you're not using order flow. You're using volume profile. What platform are you using? Yeah, NQ looks really good. Just looking at NQ here. It's above the pivot. Trade of 8. Okay. Trade of 8. Interesting. I'll have to look into that. I will. Are you a whale? You moving the markets out there? Back to Zoom here. I'm gonna add some Zoom. Add some Zoom babies on here. I might even play Zoom for this week. No. Come on. Sell yourself short. If you're trading futures, you gotta be a whale. At least ride with the whales, right? Small guy earning what I can. I'm good, man. I hope you're making some money. I do. I only wish you success. In this game, it is not. There's no time for negativity, right? You look at MNQ and MES. I have with Tastyworks. I do have an account for it too, and I traded some full time. Wow, dude, congratulations! That's the freaking dream, man. That's awesome. But I will be watching these 500s. I'll be honest, I get really bored trading commons. I get bored trading futures. I get bored trading crypto, just in general. I love trading options. Options are my fave. I'll be watching these. So to each his own. You can. Are you more of a scalper, or are you like a swing trader, or what? Do you just kind of like whatever the trade is, what it is? All right, so let's see here. You're my only viewer, man. You got to stick around for a while and deal with my questions. As I set up my Zoom, and a boom, boom for tomorrow. I feel like this is going to rip. Let's look at the, yeah, this just looks like an amazing setup. I'd love this to open over 440, even 450. It's probably 500 next week. Zoom, 500 next week. Calling it. At least tagging it. Love Zoom, so I will be watching these Zooms, 480s. Man, the 500s are 250, so that's for next week. The 500s are 250. Don't you think that's insane? I mean, it was a nice ripper, but at the end of the day, for Zoom, it really just coiled and was just eating theta all day. All the people thinking it was going to break 450 got destroyed unless they sold early. I think it opens over 450 with all the lockdowns and stuff. Okay, we're almost to the end of my list here, so I'm gonna go to Roku, which is another one of my faves. And I mean, this just looks pretty decent as well. We got some news coming in here. We got Delta Airlines news. Watch the trades by Matt on YouTube in the morning. He doesn't sell anything. That Sam guy is a joke. Oh, interesting. You think so? Okay. Why do you think Sam's a joke? Okay, be right there. Got about 5 minutes. All right. See you, man. I'm out, actually. I got to go. I got to help